Ever found a scratch on your beautiful Toyota and thought, how do I find the exact right paint to touch it up? You're not alone. It seems simple, but getting a perfect match can be tricky. Today, we're demystifying the world of Toyota paint codes, so you can fix those little imperfections like a pro and keep your car looking brand new. Let's dive in. First things first, where on earth do you find this magical code? Toyota makes it pretty easy. Almost every Toyota has a driver's side door jam sticker. Open your driver's door and look at the frame of the car. You'll see a black sticker with a bunch of information, like your Vang and tire pressure. On that sticker, you're looking for the letter C. C stands for color, and TR stands for trim. The 3-digit code right after C. TR is your paint code. For example, you might see CTR 288T FB13. Your paint code is 218 simple as that. Now, what do these codes actually mean? Toyota paint codes are typically 3 digits, and they can be numbers, letters, or a mix of both. For instance, 040 is super white, 1F7 is classic silver metallic, and 218 is attitude black metallic. Sometimes, you'll see a 2-part code like 218 200 seconds, which indicates a 2-tone paint job. The first number is the main body color, and the second is the roof or accent color. So if you're touching up the roof, you'd need the second code. It's crucial to get this right, to avoid a noticeable mismatch. Let's talk about why using the exact code is so important. You might think black is black, right? Not key. Car manufacturers have dozens, sometimes hundreds, of shades for each color. There's pearl black, metallic black, jet black. You get the picture. These variations are created by adding different flakes, pearls, and tints to the base color. Using a generic black touch-up paint on your attitude black metallic Toyota will stand out like a sore thumb once it dries. The paint code ensures you get the precise formula that Toyota used at the factory. So you've found your code. What's next? You have a few options for getting your touch-up paint. You can go straight to a Toyota dealership's parts department. This is often the most reliable way to get an exact match. Just give them your paint code or even your Vang gear, and they'll get you the right stuff. Another great option is to visit an automotive paint supply store. They can mix the paint for you based on the code. Finally, you can order online from various retailers. Just be sure to buy from a reputable seller and double-check that you're reordering the correct code for your car. When you buy the paint, it usually comes in a few different forms. A touch-up pen, a small bottle with a brush, or a spray can. For tiny rock chips and hairline scratches, a pen is perfect for precision. For slightly larger scuffs, the brush and bottle option gives you a bit more coverage. If you're tackling a larger area, like a scraped bumper corner, a spray can will give you a more even, professional-looking finish. Whichever you choose, always remember to clean the area thoroughly with soap and water, then wipe it with a little rubbing alcohol before you apply the paint. A clean surface is key for proper adhesion and a seamless repair. And that's your complete guide to understanding and using Toyota paint codes. It's not as intimidating as it sounds. Just find that sticker on your driver's side door. Identify the 3-digit code after CTR and you're ready to get the perfect paint for your car. Keeping your Toyota looking its best is a great way to maintain its value and take pride in your ride. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more car care tips and tricks. Got any questions or your own paint matching stories? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.